Integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. My name is Shannon Taylor, and I'm going to talk about integrity today. I was very hesitant to talk about integrity because I was asking myself, do I have integrity? How am I supposed to talk about integrity? I felt like it was a very hard topic to talk about, and I was just thinking, like, I don't think I have integrity. I was just at home like, how am I supposed to talk about this? And for the outline, I just did integrity. I just kept going along with it. So I was just thinking, do I have integrity? And I really was sitting there pondering for a solid like 10 minutes. And I was just thinking, like, I've done so many like bad things. I've lied, I've been deceiving, I've cheated, I've just done a lot of bad things. So I was just thinking, how am I going to talk about this? But then I also realized that people have done bad things to me, people have lied to me, they've cheated and been deceiving, and I was like, I don't want to keep that cycle going, and I feel like I do have integrity at times. And I kind of did some research about integrity, watched a couple other speeches, and I realized, like, actually I do have integrity. It's just a work in progress. So when I first cheated, and I'll never forget this, I was a sophomore in high school, and my teacher would let us grade our own papers with, like, she would give us our papers and we would grade it, and she would tell us the answers, and she would even let us grade in pencil. And every time, before she gave us our papers, she would say, grade with integrity, but I never listened. She would say, like, I got the answer wrong, and I would quickly erase it and change it to the right one and then mark it right. And one day I got caught, and I was really embarrassed. It was in front of the whole class. She took my paper away, and she gave me like an F, and since then I've never cheated on anything school-wise. So as I was doing my research on integrity, the first thing that popped up in my head was honesty. You have to be truthful and sincere. Sometimes the truth hurts and you don't want to hear it, but it is what it is. Honesty is the best policy. So if you're honest with yourself, then you can be honest with others. And by being honest with yourself, just kind of reflecting on what you did and just saying, like, what I did, was it right or was it wrong? So honesty is one of the major keys for integrity. Also loyalty, which is faithfulness to commitments or obligations. I have this picture up here of this couple. It's a very famous picture. It was viral. And it's this couple, they've been together for, I don't know, like 40 years or something like that. And they've been loyal to each other and they've stayed together. So I feel like if you have loyalty, that also is a part of having integrity, because when you're loyal to somebody, you kind of just commit to them and just don't lie, and you're honest with them. When you're loyal to people and honest, they start to trust you, and people will trust you if you're honest and loyal to them. They'll rely on you, and they know that you're a person with integrity. And integrity is, you can basically define it the way you want to define it too. It is about your morals and what you think is right or wrong. And with these three qualities of integrity, which is honesty, loyalty, and trustworthiness, then you will have integrity. So this is a chart, and it says these are our actions and our values. So when you do something, you can think about, is that like what I did, was it right or was it wrong? Do you value what you did? Does it go with your morals or how you were raised? Thank you.